of the day is D. D. The letter of the day is D. D says D, D, D. This is the uppercase letter D. This is the lowercase letter D. Uppercase just means it's the big letter. Lowercase means it's the smaller letter. Say it with me. D. D. This is the letter D. Now, we're going to practice the sound that the letter D makes. The letter D says D. D. The letter D says D. Okay, we have our alphabet song to help us with the sound. The letter D says D, D, D. Are you ready? Here we go. The letter D says D, 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 D. The letter D says D, D, D. The letter D says D. The letter D says D, 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 D. The letter D says D, D, D. The letter D says D. Good. The letter D says D. As in dog, as in diamond. The letter D says D. Speaking of letter sounds, let's talk about our produce of the day. The produce for today is the date. Have you ever had a date before? They're so yummy. They're almost too yummy, okay? So this is, I'm not necessarily trying to advertise someone's product, but this is a date. It's a container of dates. And if you've never had one before, you might give it a try. You may like it. They're really huge. I mean, these little things are dried, but they are really tasty. And you can use them in your dishes, your recipes, and your meals. And this is a date. Date, date. The produce of the day is date. When I've never had a fresh date before, but I've had them dried on numerous occasions, and they're truly delicious. So that is a date if you have never seen one before, and if you like, ask mom or daddy to let you try one to reinforce this letter and this letter sound this week.